My name is Daniel and I'm part of the KMS Global Style Council. Today I want to show you a haircut, a shaggy haircut. So I start by sectioning the fringe area. I will particularly watch out about how much hair I have in my fringe. With Thera I go quite far back because I want the fringe to be quite dominant. After I've sectioned the hair forward, I always go from the top and then downwards and cut the line I want my fringe to go. I will make sure that both sides obviously go the same direction. Starting from the top of the fringe down to the hairline, add this to the front and then cut the hair to the length I want my style to be. I always like to blow dry the fringe straight away to see the way it looks. So I will use the quick blow dry because this product makes the hair dry faster. And for the style I will already add the sea salt spray. This product I like a lot because you can layer it. Plus on blonde hair it does make a really nice matte effect. So I'm just changing to the scissors now. Just with point cutting, I will create a little bit more softness. Now I adjust the fringe to the desired length. So now I'm starting connecting the lens to the back by taking vertical sections, bringing them down and point cut them into the desired length. I'm picking up now vertical sections again and just pull the hair diagonally forward and just cut little pieces into the top sections just to add a little natural texture. To finish it, I will use now the playable texture. You can take it apart and it will also stick back together again. I'm just going to spray it into and scrunch, give it a light scrunch. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another styling look.